In today's video, I will be playing the part of Rosie the Riveter. Duh. In today's video, we have a very special tutorial. It is a vintage kind of Rosie the Riveter inspired makeup tutorial and hair tutorial. And this is perfect for 4th of July, Memorial Day, Labor Day, any red, white, and blue day. Super fast, super easy, and super classic. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel down below. And you can hit the bell to be notified anytime we post so you never miss any of our tutorials. So you guys are going to want to start with whatever your base face is. For me, that's foundation, concealer, bronzer, blush, highlight, you know, the whole shabam, and obviously eyebrows. But whatever that is for you, whatever you feel most comfortable with, that is how you should start this look. I'm going to grab a like rosy taupe shade and going to be using the Carli Bybel palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. But you can use whatever shade that you have that's similar to this or whatever shade that you like. I just want to add a little bit of definition to the outer corner of my eye. Like I said, I'm just going to run that in my outer corner and along my lash line and blending into the crease. Just going to take whatever's left on my brush and run that in my lower lash line as well. Now I'm just going to take a gold like shimmery shadow and apply that to my lid using my finger because it's easier. Then just going to apply the lightest shimmer shade to my brow bone to really make it pop and make my eyebrows look a little more arched than they maybe are. There we go, done with the eyeshadow. I told you, super, super easy. And to be honest, my opinion, you don't even have to do any eyeshadow at all if you don't want to, because we're going to do a wing, and that's going to kind of be the star of this show. So of course we're going to take our MoxieLash Magnetic Liquid Liner, and of course I'm going to be using black today. I really want that sharp black wing. I'm going to start by creating a line across my lash line, and then I will pull it out into the wing. Now I'm just going to imagine a line going from my lower lash line up to my eyebrow, and that's going to be my wing line, and then I'm going to connect the two. And we have an entire tutorial on our best tips and tricks for winged liner, so if you guys want to check that out, you can see that here or down below in the description box. One wing is on. I'm going to do the other one really quick and I will be right back. While my liner is drying, I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara. This is the Bad Gal Bang Mascara from Benefit. Okay, so now time to apply our magnetic lash. Today I'm going to go with Sassy lashes because they are my favorite lash to go with a winged liner. They just exaggerate the cat eye. I'm obsessed with them. If you guys want to check out some of our other lashes that go really, really well with cat eyes, you can watch this video right here. But in the meantime, let's pop on these Sassy lashes. Here's a quick tip for combining your natural lashes with our magnetic lashes. You can use the back of our little applicator and the little comb and just comb your lashes through, and it makes them blend perfectly. Okay, well, I'm obsessed with how this looks. So that classy like Rosie the Riveter pinup look has a red lip, and so of course we're going to be going with red today. I'm going to be using the Mercier Rouge Essential Silk Cream Lipstick in the shade Rouge Profound. If this doesn't scream red, white, and blue, I don't really know what does. Okay, so face is done. Let's do our hair. I know, we haven't done a hair tutorial, and I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to, because this is kind of like a special way to do your hair, a little Rosie the Riveter inspiration here. So let's jump into that. I'm going to back you guys up so you can see me a little bit better. So there's a lot of different ways you can do this. I am just going to push my hair back because I don't have much hair. But if you guys have super long hair, you can tie your hair up into kind of a bun, put it in a low bun, high bun, whatever works for you. You could have your hair down. It's kind of all up to you. Like I said, I'm just going to tuck my hair behind my ears and kind of pull it back like that. Works perfectly for me. Same thing with your bangs. You can have them out and down. You can put them kind of up here. You can pin them up like this. You could even do like a little vintage looking like spiral, okay? But I want to keep it a little bit more on the modern side, as modern as I think this look can get. And I'm going to leave my bangs out, so just going to grab those, tuck everything else behind my ear, and grab a red bandana. So this one that I have is actually from Madewell, and I love this bandana because it's very soft and very easy to tie. A lot of the like normal red bandanas that you get are like super tough and you have to wash them and they become a little bit softer, but this one is super easy to work with. If you have a normal bandana, this totally works too. I suggest maybe washing it before, just so that it's not like so stiff. You'll see what I mean if you have one. So you're gonna take your bandana, it's a square, and you're gonna fold it in half so that it's a triangle, just like that. Then you wanna take the long side of the triangle and you wanna put that on the nape of your neck, just like that. Now you want to keep the tail as close to your face as you can because we're going to be tying this on top of the tail. So creating a little bit of tension in the back, pulling the two sides up. I like to take my thumbs and hold the tail down while I tie these two top pieces. You can pull the tail through just so that it feels snug. Then once you feel like it's ready to be tightened down, you can tighten a bit and double knot it. Okay. Look at that. So cute. Okay, so I'm going to tuck my hair into the bandana just because that is so easy for me. But like I said, tie your hair up in a bun if you would like to not be showing the rest of your hair as well. Okay, so as for these pieces up here, I kind of feel like it's like kind of a look to have them out, but I'm going to tuck them in. So what I like to do is I just kind of fold it in on itself and tuck downwards. Just like that. Same thing on the other side. Just tucking it downwards. So there you have it, our vintage kind of Rosie the Riveter inspired tutorial. Like I said, I feel like this would be perfect for the 4th of July, Memorial Day. We got the red, white, and blue going on, and these are my favorite colors. So I'm feeling it. We hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and like I said, if you maybe need a few more tips on winged liner, I will link that video here. And if you like this video, you can give it a big thumbs up down below, and you can subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our videos. We'll see you in the next one.